everyone. Just wanted to let you know Sadie's got a new website, and as you know, she's also on YouTube and Facebook. If you'd like to check her out, her Facebook is the little A symbol, Sadie Dean, and her YouTube is Training with Sadie, or ESA Dog, and her website will be at the bottom of this video. Please check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube and to follow her Facebook. It is really amazing. We got stuff on there that lets everyone know on her Facebook what she does that day, when she does it, how she did it, and everything. And her YouTube shows all her videos, all her training videos and stuff like that. And her website will also let you know what all she did that day. And there's a couple videos on there to get you guys to follow her channel, her YouTube channel. She has been doing very amazing. So please, please, please check it out. We also got on her website, she's also got a store now. And you can click the link on her website for the store, and it'll take you right there, and you guys can check that out too. She's got a lot of merchandise on it. So please, please, please check us out. Thank y'all. Have a blessed day.